you see all the lights, the tree, and the presents, that's because it's Christmas time. Let's learn all about Christmas together. Our journey begins with the Christmas tree. This is a Christmas tree. Families decorate it with shiny ornaments, lights, and sometimes even candy canes. Look, there are presents under the tree. On Christmas morning, we open them with our loved ones. Decorating the tree is so much fun. Christmas is also about giving and sharing. Some people bake cookies for Santa and give gifts to friends and family. But the best gift is showing kindness and love to everyone. Christmas is magical, a time for joy, love, and spending time with people we care about. Whether you sing carols, eat yummy food, or just share a smile, Christmas brings us all together. Merry Christmas, everyone! Spread love, share joy, and have a magical day. See you soon! Bye!